Hi students, welcome to the problem solving session on boundary conditions. Here the problem given is the medium 1 occupies the region to the left of x is equal to 0 plane and has permittivity of 1.5 epsilon naught farad per meter. Medium 2 occupies the region to the right of x is equal to 0 plane. Fine. And has a permittivity of 2.5 epsilon naught. The electric field of medium 1 is given by 2ax a minus 3ay plus az. Find the electric field in medium 2. So they have given the electric field of medium 1, that is given by E1 is equal to 2ax minus 3ay plus az. This is what they have given. The permittivity of medium 1 is 1.5 epsilon naught. Permittivity of medium 2 is 2.5 epsilon naught. Okay, so this they give. What we have to find is E2, that is medium electric field in medium 2. That's what the question. Medium was 1 is in left side of x is equal to 0 plane. See, x is equal to 0 means y is z plane. X is equal to 0 plane is nothing but that is equal to y is z plane. In y is z plane, x is equal to 0. So this is what my y is z plane, right? In this plane, left hand side, let us assume the out of the screen, this is what x comes out now. That area is medium 1. Inside the screen, we consider that is a medium 2. So medium 1 I write here. This coming out of the screen. So medium 1, epsilon 1 is 1.5 epsilon naught. And they have given E1 value that I have written here. Now inside the screen that I write here, not along the, I assume that I have written inside the screen. So here I write it. So epsilon 2, 2.5 epsilon naught and E2 we have to find, right? So in YZ plane, which is normal component, right? So this is what YZ plane I have drawn, right? Which component? This is Y, this is Z, right? Which component is normal to that? X component, because the area is looking perpendicular, which is perpendicular to y z x. Fine. So I draw properly. X is a normal component, so it is ax. So it is nothing but our normal component. Fine. So we know that in a boundary of in a boundary, what is the thing we know in a electric field? D n1 is equal to d n2, right? If surface charge is 0. Here they don't give anything about surface charge, right? So surface charge is 0 means dn1 is equal to dn2. What is the boundary condition for normal boundary condition? Normal boundary condition is given by dn1 minus dn2 is equal to rho s. Here rho s is 0, so they didn't talk, so we just ignore rho s equal to 0. This implies dn1 is equal to dn2. Fine. So what we get is dn1 I can write d is equal to epsilon e. So epsilon n1 is equal to epsilon n2. Fine. So epsilon n1, we know for n1, for medium 1, what they give, epsilon 1 is 1.5 epsilon naught. So epsilon 1, epsilon 2, right? For first medium, epsilon is 1.5 epsilon naught en1. En1 is, what is the normal component? Normal component is ax component. What is ax component here? 2ax. Right, so let us write everything in terms of vector, right? So write it. So what will happen? So 2ax. Why? Because normal component is ax. What is the normal component of the given electric field? Eax is nothing but 2ax. Ex vector is equal to E normal component. So 2ax. that is equal to epsilon 2 they have given, it is 2.5 epsilon naught E2. Yes or no? So what will happen if you simplify this? Epsilon naught will be cancelled, and E2, this is a normal component which is x component, E2x is equal to 1.5 into 2, 3 divided by 2, 5 AX. So 3 by 2.5 is 1.2 AX. So we find x component of E2 through normal component. Similarly, we have to find the tangential component. From that, we can find the remaining things. Tangential component is what we know. What are the tangential component in YZ plane? Right, this is YZ plane. What will be the tangential component? Here, the tangential component will be y vector AY. Here, the tangential component Z plane, it will be AZ. Yes or no? So, tangential component will be AY and AZ only. So, what is AY and AZ for the given medium? You see that AY AZ is the tangential component. We know that tangential boundary condition is E tan 1 is equal to E tan 2. Fine. If you put vector, it will be a vector. So, what is the given E vector? E vector is 2ax. This was given here, minus 3ay plus az vector. So I told the tangential component is y and z. So this component and this component are tangential component of medium 1. Right? So for medium 1, what is the tangential component? Minus 3ay plus az. Right? So that is the tangential component of medium 2 also. So E tangential 2 is. So now we got a tangential component and normal component. So E2 is given by ET tangential component plus normal component. ET we got here, ET is what do you call? Minus 3ay plus az. Normal component we found already. What is that? 1.2 ax. So 1.2 ax. This is what our E2. Right? So unit is volt per meter. I hope you understand this problem. If you have any doubt, please ask me in comment section. I will clarify. Thank you.